You mentioned other members of her squad. Are they coming back soon?
Oh, yeah, 2 others. They're out hunting for a bit, but you'll love them. First, there's V.
No! No! Please stop feeding my own eggshells in front of my family!
And yet, I still feel nothing.
So, V, I heard this planet-wide toxic death storm is supposed to be especially inhospitable tonight.
Oh, God! Who are you?
No worries, I'm N, but a whole letter is a lot to remember. So, obviously a lot of mutual respect there, but secretly, I actually kind of have a crush on her. You can't tell her, okay?
Whoa, N? Am I dreaming, or did you do something not useless for once?
I've been trying to get past those doors for months. Nice work, En.
You need name, remember?
These ventilation shafts can easily get us around this last door. Lowest body count eats a missile!
Noted, traitor. We'll circle back after I right-size your existence.
Okay, which one do you want?
J, please.
Too bad. Good luck!
My mind's in a weird place! Don't read into this! Uzi! I'm so sorry. Have fun repressing this.
Ew! What the hell?
Nice to meet you, Mr. Uzi.
Shut it.
It's okay. Sorry. I wasn't looking.
Move it, moron.
Spaceship pilot. Origin story. Speaking of piloting to Earth,
Relay and reformatted your memories to soup. Quit complicating my murder plan.
I hate your personality normally, but this is somehow worse. What am I being punished for?
I do want to be dapper. But no! That's why you had me find these? We can't interact with the workers anymore, V. We're too dangerous.
Exactly. We show up fabulous. The sad purple one lets us in, because she has no friends. We kill everyone and pop her little head off.
I'm not freeing you for prom murder, V. Jay went hollow spooky snake crab, and we maybe grew up in a haunted mansion. Aren't you worried we have no idea what we even are?
Promise me you and that purple thing will stop prying into that stuff. If you free me now, I promise we'll only kill what we need to survive. Just you and me, En.
V, if you're hiding something, we can figure it out together. Even if we each only have pieces. Please, what do you know?
What's best for you? even if you hate me for it.
Holy crap, what is she doing?
This isn't what I expected at all! I guess we should, Is this...
Ew. You look like garbage.
You frickin' traitor!
As if you weren't using me to try and kill everyone, Miss Petty. Where does this freaking go?
Thank you, Lizzie!
Shut up, loser.
V, we needed her for answers.
What? She's fine.
A little tuckered out.
V did that on purpose! She's hiding mystery stuff and being overdramatic about it!
You suck! You! Lucky for you, we're not done yet.
I think we found her folks.
Literally didn't even taste that good.
V, you kinda suck.
Yeah, I'm not doing okay.
So, we're just unsupervised? Welcome, campers! Let's sound off! 1, 2... That's everyone! -1. We've got so many distracting activities planned, so no sneaking off to investigate stuff. To the bunks!
Sounds good, Ed.
Anything for my bestie?
You can be our friend, little guy.
Poor thing's defective.
Nah, just full of love. This one's a pilot. Wow, a pilot. Tick-tock.
Hey, stupid idiot. Weren't you just...
You said this camp would help us catch that red-eyed doll freak. How about more explory, less watch from window creepy?
working on it? Just so glad you guys fit right in. Super cool.
Better to stay distant, though. Don't you think? Since I'll have to kill you next. Anne's made friends with rocks, by the way. He'll move on just fine.
Sorry, did I cheat?
We didn't even kill everyone here. Check this out.
Thief, we can't hurt Uzi!
Do our jobs, and that thing leaves us alone.
Don't know what you're talking about because you won't tell me! What are you so afraid of?
I'm not afraid.
I am! Uzi is! She's a kid, like us, V! What is wrong with you? Look after the campers.
Hot? Not hot? You're too good for him.
Do whatever you want.
Oops! Easy there, buddy. Ha! Ow! Up we go!
gonna say that antagonizing her.
Ugh, you always take her side.
Accent was a bad idea anyway. And I'm sorry.
Not like you killed anyone.
Oh, no, I definitely...
Kidding! Just avoid another whole spire. Baby steps. Together?
Ew. Don't patronize me.
What? I think it's gross all by myself. God, you're a diva lately.
So, missing some campers here.
Yo, I get hungry, idiot.
No name calling, just a question.
This breed is known for its friendly, intelligent temperament and soft golden coat. Golden retrievers are also us as lizards. Jay drew herself. Are also known for having gentle mouths. Oh, that's why they're good with kids.
Do your basement thing. We got the coma patient you creeped on.
Not creepy, sweet!
Crikey, what a bounding hump to ruffle!
Why are you talking like that? Grab it. Just grab it. Grab it. Intimidating glare.
Whoa, Sin! For an eldritch... monster thingy?
The solver of the absolute fabric, the void, the exponential end.
Peep this? I got you.
Golden retrievers have
Gentle mouths, dude.
Cute. False. Gross. True. Let's just delete your OSs then. Goodbye, buddy. Execute. What is happening?
Sorry, my frickin' dad's streaming. Whoa! Whoops.
Uzi?
Don't frickin' dox me.
Thanks.
You little narc! Get out of my head!
I'm gonna know what?
Is the secret elevator labeled?
Maybe.
everything the Screw Sins plan.
And for Mom backstory. Right, dude?
Huh. Radio. Sources say that was... Except I'm going this way, don't take me to Kansas! Wakey, wakey. Don't say I never did anything for...
V! Is Uzi...
Out. We're leaving.
I can take a squiz of
You
it.
said you could control the Sentinels!
Well, at least they can't boot loop me. We'll just
Do
have
whatever
to...
you want. En?
It's okay, En. I haven't been honest with V yet.
What did she tell you?
That's convenient.
It's a trap.
Yeah, no, never mind.
No!
Oi! Bloody convenient, eh?
Hey,
No! Dave! We need you!
nah. Uzi? I trust you.
Dave, please! Lucy! Help! Use your solver!
En! Watch it!
I don't think I should. I'm sorry, En.
Oh, no. It's okay, Uzi. I am so sorry.
Enough, En. We'll save V after we finish here. Easy, let's have you sit this one out, eh?
I deserve this.
Missed you, En.
Thank you, Mind Chef. Trauma goes, and here you find from there.
You know, you're one of the main reasons I wanted your team to retain your personalities. You always surprised me. En? You're okay?
I wasn't. Tessa is Sin. She's here. And I don't know how much you remember, but Jay tricked us. Or it tricked Jay too. And I'm so sorry. I should have been honest, but I was just so scared for us. For you.
V, stop!
Do your job and I leave you and N alone. Right, V?
Still.
Bad job, V.
Squirmy worm.
Godfather.
Wrong team.
No more tricks. I don't know, I feel like we need a secret handshake or something, right? Lucy?
Get back!
Lucy? Is...
Oh, hell yeah! I'm a damaged OC. Ugh, it's her. Ow! Also, now I can do this!
Can you set me free?